Before starting this topic, let's clean our hands. Remember back in 2019 when coronaviruses was around and we all had to cover our face with mask and regularly wash our hand with soap or clean them with hand sanitizer to kill the viruses and germs. This is exactly what we are going to do with users' data today. Clean their data from unwanted white spaces and malicious codes. In here, I have a form where I accept the user full name, email, and age. So let's echo all the user inputs in our VS Code. So let's write here. Let's first of all let's write our opening and closing PHP tags. Then in here, I want to run this logic when the request is post. So I will type server. Then I will check the request method and set it if post. Then I want to run my logic. So let's echo all of them. Let, let's echo the name, email, and age. In here, let's type echo doesn't post and our field names save. Let's actually add a BR also to break the line. So BR, that's it. Now, if I tag anything in the inputs, I can echo it and I can see what the user has typed. So submit. Now I got all of them in here. But in here, if you guys notice, the name have a space between it. The email is also not correct and the age is also not correct. And even if a hacker comes and types some malicious code in our project, he can hack our project as well. So if I type this JavaScript and click submit button, now y- I got this alert in my project. And even if other users also open their application, they will get this error. So we want to prevent these kind of the data to be saved in our database. So before saving it to the database, we have to clean our data. So let's see how we can clean it. First of all, let's remove all the empty spaces from the full name. So in here, let's create a variable with the name of name and set it to trim function, which will use to clear all the spaces from the beginning and end of the string. So we can type here our input field name. So let's type here $post and our name. Now, instead of echoing our requested name, we will echo the name. So let's click OK. And in here, if I add some spaces, then write a name, then another some spaces, click submit. Okay, we forgot. Now let's click the now write spaces, click submit. Now all those white spaces from the beginning and end of our string has been removed. Now let's sanitize our data for malicious code. So for that we can use, let's call our variable. For that we can use filter var, then our variable name, which is name here or our data. Then we will call filter sanitize special character. So we can type here filter, then underscore sanitize, then special cars. Now, this will remove all the dangerous characters from our input. This prevent the user from running JavaScript inside our page. So now let's go to our browser and here again, let's type script and inside this alarm, hi, and close our script. Now, if I click the submit button, in here I will get the string, but previously we got an alert. Now, if I open the page source. Let's make it bigger. Now, in here, I have this string, which is safe for browser to execute it. So let's go back. Now, let's jump to the email section. If I copy this and paste it here, click submit, again, it will execute. So for the email, we just want to allow all the characters which are allowed in the email address, nothing else. So for that, in the email, in here, let's create a new variable with the name of email and set it to filter var, then our email input, and we will call filter sanitize email. Now, instead of echoing the email directly, let's echo our variable. Click OK, paste it back, submit. Now, all those characters which are not allowed inside a email address, they are all removed, and we can get our email as a string. Now let's move to the age part. Because age is a number, we can only allow that number to be added in here, not a script or not a text. Right now click, we got our script running. So let's fix the age part also. In here we have to create a variable with the name of age, then call the filter var function, which is default built-in PHP script function, then pass our age input, and in here call filter sanitize number int. Now again, let's remove all of them and call our variable. Click OK, paste it again, the script, click submit, and we don't see anything. But if I type a number in here, echo, I will get my number. Even if I type anything between my numbers, they will be removed and I can only see the number.